In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello workspace. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing projects and collaborating with teams. Creating a new workspace is the first step toward a more organized workflow. Let's walk through the process together so that you can get started on managing your tasks with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you land on the Trello homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have a Trello account yet, you can easily sign up for one, but for today, we'll assume you already have an account set up. After you've logged in, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find several personal options. For today's task, the option we're focusing on is Create Workspace. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new screen where the setup for your new workspace begins. First up, you'll want to give your workspace a name. Think about something that reflects its purpose or the team that's going to be using it. Something straightforward and descriptive will make it easier for everyone to identify and access later on. A clear name saves time and helps in communication among your team members. Next, choose a workspace type from the provided options. Trello offers different types that cater to various needs, such as personal, team-based, or business-oriented workspaces. Go ahead and pick the one that best fits how you plan to use Trello, whether that's for tracking personal tasks or managing a team project. Having the right context makes a significant difference. While it's optional, consider creating a workspace description. This brief description can be really helpful for other team members by giving them a bit more context about the workspace's objectives or guidelines. It's a small step, but it can greatly aid understanding and alignment within the team. Once you've filled out these details, click the Continue button. This action will finalize the creation of your new workspace. You'll see a confirmation that everything is set up, and voila, your new Trello workspace is ready to use. But don't stop there. Collaboration is at the heart of Trello. You can invite other individuals to join your workspace. Simply enter their email addresses to add them. Alternatively, you can share an invite link if that's more convenient. This feature is particularly useful if you want a seamless way to bring team members on board quickly. And that's it. Congratulations on creating your new Trello workspace. With this powerful tool, you can now start organizing your projects, collaborating with colleagues, and enhancing productivity in a structured and efficient manner.